Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check RAM type DDR3 or 4 on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to check the memory. Right click on taskbar, click on task manager, and then click on performance and select memory, and look, the memory is 4 GB, but memory type DDR3 or 4 is not showing here. Close task manager, go to your Google Chrome browser. In search bar, type CPU jet. Now hit enter. Now click on the CPU jet software link. Now scroll down. Here you will find four options. The second option, zip English, and it's for 32-bit and 64-bit version also. Now click on zip English, and now you will find here download CPU jet, and click on download now, and the software is downloading. The download is finished. Now I am going to open the location. Now right click on the zip file and click on extract all and extract to the same location here, and click on extract. The file is extracted. Now double click on CPU jet x64 because my computer is 64-bit architecture. Now click on run as administrator, then click on yes. The CPU jet utility has been opened. Now click on memory tab, and here you will find the memory type DDR4. This is the easiest way to find memory type in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.